Improvisation can be incredibly magical to watch, but it can also be incredibly stressful to do. So here's an effective way to really explore your dancing, get out of the move to move to move mentality, and really create freedom in your swing dancing. Now, if you're excited, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and the bell to be notified of all our freshest content. Step number 1, pick a basic move that you like to do. I always like to start with the Charleston. So I'm going to be using this for my example. And in this Charleston, I'm going to be doing a rock step, a kick step, a kick, and a walk back. So I'm going to be using this type of basic Charleston step moving forward. Step number 2, identify every part of the basic move that you can repeat. Dax and I call this repeating rudiments. It typically happens every 2 beats, but can really change depending on the move you're working on. So for this Charleston, I can take the rock step part, and I can repeat the rock step. Now in the Charleston, the next would be the kick step, so I can repeat the kick step. Now for the next part, I can choose to hold and repeat the kicks, or for my walk back, I can repeat the walk backs. So I can take the rock step, the kick step, this kick, and the walk back to really repeat each one of those moments. Let's see what this basic concept looks like to music. Now, just that concept alone can really help us get out of the move-to-move mentality we sometimes fall into when we're trying to improvise. And it's really amazing because it doesn't really matter how big or small your vocabulary is. But let's take it one step further. Step number 3, apply different variables to your repeating rudiments. So different variables could be rhythm changes, body movements, arm stylings, level changes, rotation. There are so many different variables that you can stack to your basic move or your repeating rudiments of them. Now, this is a very robust topic, so if you do want any specific videos from us on any of these, make sure to comment below so that we know. Now, in this example, I'm going to be applying a lower body twist to my Charleston. So we have our rock step, but I can also do this kind of rock step. And if you're feeling super fancy, you could also do a forward rock step. Now for the kick step part that I could be repeating, I'm going to be adding a lower body twist to that. Now for the next part, my double kicks, I can be adding lower body twist to that. Now for my walk backs, I can be adding lower body twist. Now you could also lower body twist moving forward. Maybe that's a different dynamic. And we can go from there. So let's see what stacking some variables looks like to music. So you probably picked up, I stacked a little bit more than just my lower body twist. I couldn't really help myself, so I threw in some rotation in there. I had some going forward, going back, as well as some level changes. It's just really fun once you get going and how much you can explore and really feel the freedom. So I would love to see some of your videos. So if you're up for the challenge, take one of your favorite jazz steps and see if you can find the repeating rudiments and then apply some variables. And if you're really up for it, take a video of yourself, comment below the link, I'd love to see it, or just try it out and let me know how it went for you. All right, so until next time, bye.